Meet Shane Roberts, a self-taught engineer who forgoed college to pursue his passion for making that which doesn't exist. Now he leads a 3-man team in Blunttville, Tennessee, and has worked on many projects, including international art installations, parts for Boeing, and the creation of an autonomous aircraft. How does creativity, mathematics, and critical thinking come together to shape our small corner of the world?
When I was in high school, I kind of stumbled upon automobiles and cars, and I started working on them as a mechanic, but I just kind of needed things that you couldn't buy. And so you start kind of drawing up what you want and figuring out how you're going to make it, and then before you know it, you're kind of engineering. Most of my post-high school education could be attributed to the internet, I would say. The broad sense of education, most of it comes from just from reading and talking and doing and failing. Oh my God, failing and failing and failing. If I tackle something that's a new project, it's like there's always like 50% of it I have no idea how to do. I'm probably reasonably smart, but like absurdly diligent. Through failing, I came up with quite a few systems for doing things that are a little bit unique to here. The airplanes that we're building right now, which I crashed one of those here, like the first one really that we put together are the new ones. It existed for like 2 weeks before there was like this crazy compass error, and you crash like this thing that, I mean, there is so much time, like hundreds of hours goes into building this thing, and you're trying to put it up and fly it and use it, and it's in little pieces over here now. Not enough attention is paid to the amount of failing that has to happen to like get anywhere. Kudos to Elon Musk. He released a video recently of his all the failures of the rockets. A lot of companies don't want to show that because they want to act like they just did it right. But he like did enough of a favor to all the people trying to accomplish things to say like, listen, you know, we are the best at this now, but here are like 25 rockets at like $60 million a piece exploding. Within our own projects, we're like forever reinventing. It's a forever process of revising the idea that you only hit 75%. You're like, well, it's 75% there right now, you know, and then you redesign it, and at the end of that, you're like, it's 75% there, and then you redesign it, and it's like, you'll never ever get there. Endlessly reinventing would be more appropriate for me.